I used to pay for 8 different business tools until I found this one platform that replaced them all. I was juggling CRM, project management, invoicing, client portals, file sharing, scheduling, the works. Each month, I was shelling out hundreds for tools that barely talk to each other. Then I discovered SuiteDash. Now everything runs from one dashboard. My CRM automatically triggers project templates. Client portals update in real time with billing info. Files get shared with the right permissions instantly. My team went from 15 browser tabs down to 1. The best part? It's completely white labeled, so my clients think I built this custom system just for them. No more switching between platforms. No more data silos, no more integration headaches. SuiteDash handles everything from client onboarding to payment processing, all under my brand. The lifetime deal through AppSumo means I'll never pay monthly fees again. Stop bleeding money on scattered tools. Get SuiteDash now and consolidate your entire business into one powerful platform.